Hello everyone, welcome to the Nutribaby cooking class. Today I will make a dish for baby, for lunch or dinner, using vegetable and chicken. So we will use this Nutribaby machine, which is a steamer and a blender in one piece. Also for this dish, I will use some rice. So I will show you how to cook the rice with the steamer. So very simple. We just take a little dish, we put some dry rice. I will add some water. This part is very important. This is the part where we can collect the juice of the cooking. So I put the first level. I take my little bowl. I use a cover. So you'll have different sign here. So we just select the vapor one, which is this one. We set up the timing, we said 15 minutes. There we go. Okay. You need to give at least 5 vegetables per day for everybody, especially for baby. So I choose the sweet potato, the carrot, leek, beetroot, and also green beans. So I will peel and cut in very small dice or slice in order that when we will cook it, it will take the shorter time. We also have some chicken that I will put in dice. So now you can hear the timer is finished. You can see already our rice is cooked. So we just put the bowl here. Now we will just set up the new timing. So we select the vapor, and we will put, let's say, 10 minutes, enough. Okay? Here we go again. Now we will put all the ingredients inside the bowl. You can put the juice as well. Up. And with the other side of the spatula, carefully, you can put inside the hole here to grab the little basket here with the juice as well. And you can pour inside. It's already on the mixing side. So carefully you hold with your hand here. The beetroot and the carrot and the sweet potatoes. And trust me, it is already very, very good. I will love it.